66 million years ago, Earth was a vastly different world, ruled by creatures that had dominated for over 160 million years. From the lush, sprawling landscapes to the skies above, life thrived in unimaginable diversity and scale. Massive sauropods reached heights that dwarf modern animals, serving as the heavyweights of this prehistoric ecosystem. Alongside them, apex predators like the T-Rex evolved into the ultimate masters of the hunt, securing their reign for millions of years. This was the Age of Giants, a long, successful, and unparalleled chapter in Earth's history. Deep in the void, an ancient traveler approaches. Often hidden until it is far too late, a massive asteroid emerges as a sudden and devastating threat to Earth. Calculating the path of these objects is critical. Here, the trajectory of 2023 BU shows it arcing dangerously close to our geostationary orbit, leaving virtually no time for defensive action. Their scale is difficult to comprehend. These cosmic giants dwarf even the tallest human structures, turning cityscapes into mere specks of dust against their mass. Compounding the danger is their speed. Traveling significantly faster than a high-velocity bullet, an impact would occur with almost zero warning for those in its path. The Chicxulub asteroid strikes Earth with the force of billions of atomic bombs, instantly vaporizing rock and seawater at the impact site. A massive, glowing shockwave radiates outward across the surface, triggering global earthquakes and unprecedented seismic activity. The intense thermal radiation from the explosion superheats the atmosphere, turning the sky into a global furnace for miles around. The oceanic impact displaces massive volumes of water, generating catastrophic megatsunamis that scour the coastlines across the globe. The physical scars of this catastrophic moment remain deeply embedded in Earth's geological layers, a silent testament to the day the world changed. The immediate impact was only the beginning. Massive quantities of dust, ash, and vaporized rock were ejected into the atmosphere, encircling the globe. Sulfur dioxide injected into the stratosphere formed aerosol clouds. This graph illustrates how sulfur concentrations drastically reduced the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface. The result was a global winter. Sunlight was blocked for years, causing temperatures to plummet and halting photosynthesis across the planet. The stability of life rests on a foundation of light. Photosynthesis allows plants to convert solar energy into chemical energy, sustaining every level of the ecosystem. When a catastrophic event blocked the sun, photosynthesis halted. The primary producers, the plants, began to die out, removing the base of the world's food supply. This triggered a devastating domino effect. As plant life perished, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, apex predators quickly lost their primary food source. The interconnected web of life shredded. Specialized species with narrow diets were the first to vanish, leaving fragile ecosystems to crumble completely. The result was a total loss of biological connectivity. Biodiversity plummeted as mass starvation moved up the trophic levels, signaling the end of an era. The Cretaceous-Paleogene event stands as one of the most significant mass extinctions in geological history. This wasn't merely the end of the dinosaurs. It was a catastrophic collapse where 75% of all living species were wiped out, forcing a fundamental reset of biological history on Earth. This reset paved the way for new life forms to emerge from the ashes of the old world. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, the world experienced a profound ecological collapse, leaving behind a massive vacuum in global habitats. Small nocturnal survivors, once overshadowed by giants, now found themselves in a world free of their predators. These mammals were uniquely prepared for rapid adaptation. Without competition, these lineages branched out into countless niches, evolving from tiny insectivores into the ancestors of modern biodiversity. From the oceans to the skies, the mammalian explosion fueled the rise of the specialized ecomorphs that define our modern world, eventually setting the stage for human evolution. The Great Extinction was not an end, but a beginning. It paved the way for the Age of Mammals, a legacy that continues today. Consider the singular, violent moment that changed everything. The asteroid impact 66 million years ago ended the reign of the dinosaurs, paving the way for our existence. What if that asteroid had missed? If the Earth's climate had remained stable, the dinosaurs might never have faced extinction. Some scientists suggest that high intelligence dinosaurs, like the Troodon, could have continued to evolve into sophisticated, human like beings. Our own path was not inevitable. We are the survivors of a series of environmental filters that forced early mammals into new niches. Without that collision, the Cenozoic era would not have belonged to the mammals. We are the accidental children of a cosmic event. Every moment of our history is defined by this chance, reminding us how fragile and unique our place in time truly is.